I would be lying if I said I'm not overwhelmed with emotion standing before you today. I feel honored, humbled, and deeply grateful to be made president of this great citadel of learning. Being given this position makes me realize that I have a lot before me. And as a common Latin maxim says, qui motum datum est motum expectatur, which means to whom much is given, much is expected. And I'm about to rise to that challenge. With utmost respect, I acknowledge our distinguished directors, Dr. Toyin and Mrs. Fumi Ajayi, our dedicated principal, respected teachers, proud parents, online viewers, outgoing prefects, incoming prefects of your 2026-2027, and my fellow Prestonians. As we already know, I am your newly selected president, Fortune Ajibaiye. And I stand before you today, not just as a student, not just as your president, but as a voice, your voice. A voice for change, a voice for unity, a voice for a better Preston. Because today is not just any other day. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter, a chapter that we will all write together. Now I know that I didn't get here on my own. I'm here because you've believed and you've trusted in me. And for that, I am truly grateful. To the school management, I say thank you. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for entrusting us with the responsibility of leading the school. I would also like to sincerely appreciate you for training and empowering us through the week-long stay at Cisco Apapa. That experience has not only strengthened us physically, but shaped us and prepared us for the responsibility ahead. To our parents, thank you for your constant support and prayers. To our teachers and non-teaching staff, thank you for your advice. Thank you for taking care of us. Thank you for your guidance and support. I would also like to say a special thank you to my mom. Thank you for being a pillar in the storm. Thank you for being my backbone. Thank you for being my teacher. Thank you for being my supporter. And to my fellow students, thank you for your trust. But with this trust comes responsibility. With this responsibility comes expectation. And we are ready to carry it with humility, dedication, and with the help of God. Let me be clear. I'm not here to promise you perfection, because perfection is not what builds progress. But I do promise effort, action, and accountability. Because what Preston needs is not just promises, but progress. So here is what we will strive to achieve together. Not just promises, not just ideas, but real and visible impact in our daily lives as Prestonians. Because Preston is committed to raising well-rounded individuals, people who are not only academically sound, but strong in character, strong in faith, and prepared for the future. And that is exactly what we must reflect in everything that we do. So, we will strengthen the connection between students and leadership, ensuring that students feel free, confident to share their opinions with any of the prefects. So to every student here today, if you have any opinions or ideas, feel free to meet any of the prefects because your opinions matter to us. We will encourage active participation in all areas of school life, not just in the classroom, but in the field, in the chapel, in the hostels and beyond, so that every student has an opportunity to develop and express their potential. We will uphold discipline and respect as core values, not simply as rules we follow, but as standards we live by, reflecting who we are as Prestonians and as a Christian community. And most importantly, we will create and uphold a culture of unity and mutual respect, where everyone looks out for one another, where differences are respected, and where everyone feels a sense of belonging. That is the Preston I believe in. That is the Preston we believe in. And that is the Preston we are going to build together. And I believe with everything in me that our future will be even greater than our present. But that future will not build itself. It requires action. So to every student here today, do not underestimate your voice. Do not underestimate your value. And do not wait for change to happen. Be a part of it. And to my fellow prefects, we, this is more than just a position. It's a responsibility. This is more than just a title. It's a duty. Let us not lead just by talking, but by doing also. We cannot talk about discipline if we are not disciplined ourselves. We cannot ask for respect if we do not show respect to others. Let us never be leaders who say one thing, but do another. Instead, let our actions show who we truly are. Let us move forward with service and with God guiding us every step of the way. Because true leadership is not defined by this name on this badge. True leadership is action. So to my prefects, let us not live with pride,
but with purpose,
not with authority,
but with service,
and not alone.
but with God guiding us.
And starting today, we act, we improve, and we grow together. Not as individuals, but as one Preston. Thank you. And with the help of God Almighty, we will do our best.